Good morning, children. Welcome to Narayana live classes. This is assignment number 13 of class 10. The topic is voice. The grammatical topic is voice. So you have to change from active voice into passive voice. 10 sentences are given. Right, children? See, first one. Rewrite the following sentences, changing the voice. She formed a theatre organization as well. See here, she subject, formed verb, a theatre organization, so object. Subject plus verb plus object. Rules you know, right? So object of active voice becomes subject in passive voice. So let us make this object as subject. A theatre organization, a theatre organization. After making this object as subject, we should use suitable be form, right? What tense it is? Formed verb second form means simple past tense. In simple past tense, we need be forms was or were, was or were. So after making this object as subject, if it is singular, we have to use was. A theatre organization was. After selecting this be form, we have to write B3 of this main verb. Form, forward, was formed. A theatre organization was formed by. This subject becomes object. She becomes her as well. A theatre organization was formed by her as well. A theatre organization was as well formed by her. That is also right. Now let us see. Second one. She gave an exceptionally brilliant performance. Children, first divide the sentence into three parts. Subject, verb, object, right? So this is subject, this is verb, an exceptionally brilliant performance, this is object. Subject, verb, object. Now what is the rule? We have to make this object into subject, right? So, an exceptionally brilliant performance. After making this object as subject, we have to select suitable be form. Gave, past tense. So this is singular was. After writing be form, B3 of this main verb, give, gave, given. Given by. She becomes her. Subject becomes object. An exceptionally brilliant performance was given by her. Let us see third one. She, subject children, teaches verb, a lesson, object to her in-laws, other words. Okay? Now, so what tense it is? Teaches, B1 is their present tense. In present tense, we need the be forms or. The be forms we need are, is, am, are. So a lesson, let us make this object as subject. A lesson. Here it is singular, as it is in present tense, we have to use is, be form is. A lesson is also V3 of this teaches, taught. Taught. A lesson is also taught to whom? To her in-laws. Taught to her in-laws by, she becomes her, so subject becomes object. Okay? Now fourth one. Will anyone forget the expression of the actor? See, it is interrogative sentence, children. Interrogative sentence, future tense. In future tense, be form is be. Now, our answer also begins with will. Will anyone subject the expression of the actor. So this is object, right? Forget verb. Now we have to make this object as subject. Will the expression of the actor. Here we have to use be form. B3 of this main verb. Forgot, forget, forgot. Forgot by anyone, question mark. Will the expression of the actor be forgot by anyone? Right, children? Now let us see fifth question. The finished product hit the screen in 1957. The finished product subject, right? So hit verb. The screen in 1957. So this is object. The screen object. So these are other words. Now first confirm the tense. What tense it is? Simple past tense, right? In plus year. So that is simple past tense. In simple past tense we need the be form. Be forms was or were. Okay. Now let us make this object as subject. The screen, it is singular, so we have to use was. The screen was. B3 of this hit. The screen was hit by. So let us make this subject as the object. By the finished product in 1957. The screen was hit by the finished product in 1957. Sixth one, children. Let us see sixth one. We told our subject, told verb, our respective parents. So this is object. Subject, verb, object, about the incident, other words. Okay. First, let us confirm the tense. What tense it is? Told. Past tense, right? Simple past tense. In simple past tense, we need be forms was or were. Okay. Now let us make this object as subject. Our respective parents. See children, respective parents, plural form. So were told. They were told about what? About the incident by. So we becomes as subject becomes object. Okay. Next, seventh one. I can still feel, I subject, can still feel verb. So still adverb. The surge of pride is object. Okay. Now, so can feel becomes can be felt. Now, let us make this object as subject. The surge of pride can be still. So this is be form. Still felt by. I becomes me. Subject becomes object. The surge of pride can be still felt by me. Okay. Now let's see next one. Eighth one. I do not recall the exact number of people. I subject. Do not recall verb. So this is subject, this is verb. The exact number of people, object. I do not recall. Do not means present tense, negative form. So in present tense, we need the be forms is, am, are. So let us make this object as subject. The exact number of people, the exact number of people, or people plural form, so are not recalled, V3 recalled by, so subject becomes object, by me. Now let us see ninth one. I filled the slot. I subject, filled verb, the slot object. So the given sentence is in simple past tense. Now let us make this object as subject. The slot, it is singular, so was, the slot was, V3 of this filled by I becomes me. Subject becomes object. Now last word, children. He has invited me to his home for a meal. He subject, has invited verb. Right, children? Me, object. So this is complement or other words. Now what tense it is? Has invited. Present perfect tense. In perfect tenses, the be form we have to use is, or the be forms we have to use are have been or has been. Okay, been. Now here, let us make this object as subject. Me becomes I. I takes have. I have. After this auxiliary verb, we have to use be form. Been. V3 of invited. Invited. I have been invited to his home for a meal by, he becomes him, subject becomes object. Okay children, I hope you understood this. Thank you, all the best.